Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you a very easy, free and legit way to find leads for your business, for your product, for your software as a service. This is literally the most easiest way. You probably would have seen this method previously, but this is also one of the best ways to find leads for your business. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. Now there is no automation in this video. We're not going to be automating any process of getting the leads. This is purely a manual way right now. Probably I'm going to be making a video on how we can automate this process. If I figure out how we can automate this, I will be making a video on this. Now these are very warm leads. So the idea behind this is that we're going to be finding people who are already interested or have shown interest into something that you're already doing. For example, if I'm selling a SaaS, which is like an AI receptionist for businesses, what I can do is I can find people who are interested in AI receptionist, people who have shown interest previously into this domain, and I can just reach out to them because these are the people who have already shown interest into AI receptionist, and therefore they will be more likely to buy the same product from me. This is what makes them a warm lead. Let me quickly take you and show you how I can find leads through this method. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna find out these leads on LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn it's very easy to reach out to someone. If you have like LinkedIn Premium, this is a very easy way to find out. If not, you can use some sort of a tool that can get you the email of that particular person from their LinkedIn, and then you can just outreach them on LinkedIn. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna write site linkedin.com, and then I'm gonna write the topic, right? So for example, I'm gonna say AI receptionist, right? So this is going to bring me a lot of posts from LinkedIn that are about AI receptionist, and I'm just gonna visit on each one of them, and we're gonna see all the people who have interacted with it. Okay, so here's the first link. So this is not a post, this is more of a blog, an article on LinkedIn. But again, we can do the same thing, right? Someone who has read this particular article and who has commented on it, he's like a warm lead because he likes the concept of AI receptionist. He is interested in this topic, and if that particular person owns a business where this kind of an AI receptionist will be beneficial to that person, then you can just reach out to that guy, sell your services, sell your AI receptionist to him, and it is more likely that he's going to buy it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into reactions, and I'm going to see all these people who have shown interest, right? Many of them are just students who are like software developers or who are currently studying, but there's one person, right, who is a product owner at a healthcare company, right? And he likes the concept of AI receptionist. Right now, if he is someone who is a decision maker of that company, then you can probably reach out to him. You can reach out to him and say, hey, I provide this I build AI receptionist type of AI systems for businesses, and I would love to do it for your business as well. And so this is just another way to reach out to people and find warm leads. Now we're gonna check out some more posts, and we're gonna see. So as you can see, this is another post which is actually a tutorial probably on how you can make an AI receptionist using a particular tool. So these are some of the people who have shown interest in AI receptionist, and you can just figure out. Okay, so for example, this guy whose name is Kevin, he's he's like an enterprise seller, and he has shown interest into this, right? There is this person, then there's this person. So you can just figure out if there is any business who have shown interest into a post like this, right? So AI receptionist is one example. Right now, another way you can find more leads and more warm leads for your business, for your SaaS, for example, is through your competitors. Okay, for example, if I'm building a product that is a competitor of Canny, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to LinkedIn, right? I'm just going to go to LinkedIn. I'm going to search for Canny, right? I'm going to go to Canny's LinkedIn page, and I'm going to basically look at all their posts, right? So I'm just going to go to their posts, and I'm going to see all the posts that they are making. So they have 13 likes over here, and as you can see, you will now all these people who have liked their posts. For example, there's this guy Ryan, who's a founder of ghostburst.io. He has shown interest into Canny's post, so it's likely that he is interested into a tool and a SaaS like Canny. So if you can go and reach out to Ryan and pitch them your product, that you are better than Canny in whatever ways, then it's more likely that he's going to buy it from you because he has already shown interest into something like that. This is another way you can find warm leads for your SaaS. Let me tell you, this is literally the method used by many lead tools out there. For example, Goji Berry, they give you a lot of leads, right? So they also do it in the same way. They use this concept. They try to find you know warm leads using your competitor, using the topics that are closely related to what you're building. So once you have found the LinkedIn profile of a lead that you think is probably going to buy from you, then you can either message them on LinkedIn. But if you do not have LinkedIn Premium and you cannot message them, then you can try to find that email. Now, one tool I know that can help you is Apollo. You can use Apollo. You can install the Apollo's Chrome extension. Then you can just visit the LinkedIn profile, click on this Apollo icon, and then just try to access their email and their phone number. I just think email is more than enough to reach out to someone, so I'm just gonna try to find it. And as you can see, this is the email of this particular person that I want to reach out to, right? So that is it. This is how you find warm leads for absolutely free. Find warm leads for your business, for your product, for your SaaS. A very legit way you can find people who are probably going to buy your product or service. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.